What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. My name's Sabrius. This is Emily. Finally, Minnesota weather is starting to cheer up quite a bit. It's a brisk 45-50 degree morning today at Lake Calhoun. First off, I want to thank everyone for clicking on this video and hopefully helping me out, showing some support, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. I have wanted to start this YouTube channel for the longest time. Over the winter, I've done a lot of work to get this prepared and ready to go. This is Emily. She is a 2020 BMW S1000RR. I've done quite a bit of work to her over the winter. Full titanium Acra exhaust. Got the Litec chain adjusters. Louis Moto seat covers. And a whole bunch of little fun bells and whistles. The gas cap. Radiator guard. The pieces that are carbon fiber are that little winglet right there, the front fender, the front fairing, the rear hugger fender, whatever you wish to call it, the rear end right there, the ECU cover, and of course the wheels, which are miraculously dirty right now, but it is what it is. My exhaust is finally starting to blue out quite a bit. Now that temperatures are getting up there, now that I can actually ride a little harder than I normally was able to last year. This bike as well has the Bren tuning stage 2, which involves the air intake relocation, if you can see that little temperature sensor right up there. Flapper delete, filter, all that good jazz. Have my own little personal touches like the M that I airbrushed on there. The front indicators, the rear eliminator. My favorite little touch is my chicken strips.
Robot, get your butt, you little bum. You're a motorcycle. Yeah, that's for big people. You little people. Little one over there? You want to ride that one? Yes, okay.
You want to put him on it? You can sit on it, man. I don't care.
You want to sit on it? Put your leg up. Up. Hey, you want it? No? There's big people. Yeah, there's big people. Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, hold on. Go little people. Hold on.
Another motorcyclist in the making there, ladies and gentlemen.
That's tasty, man.
I wanted to talk a little bit about what I expect this channel to be, what I'd love it to be, and where I want to go with this. And I hope a lot of you people hold me to my original dream of what this channel will turn into. I used to hear this story growing up where a very special person to me, hopefully somewhere throughout this channel you'll all be able to meet him, used to always tell me, human nature is very easy to understand. The easiest way to understand it is, picture this enormous white wall in front of you. Tall as the eye can see, stretches as far as the eye can see. Now, this person told me, I want you to walk up there with a little Sharpie and put a little dot on there. Ask every single one of those people what they see. And nearly every single one of those people will tell you, oh, you know, I see this little black dot right there on that wall. It's our prerogative as human beings to nitpick and to find the very small imperfection. We will ignore a wall the size of this universe as long as we can find that little black dot. You're going to hear this story reiterated and told different ways, but it's basically that throughout this channel. And the story to me is very important because I am known in my small group of friends to be annoyingly optimistic. And it's because of that. It's because of that train of thought. You listen to that story, you do recognize that black dot for what it is. Once you see it, it becomes so much easier to look around it and see everything around you. It becomes so much easier to enjoy your life. Life is so much better than that little black dot. Once you look around it and see everything else, it's all good. I want this channel to be based on that, and I want this channel to help teach people how to ignore that black dot. Maybe not even ignore it. it's there. It's gonna be there. It's permanent, right? Permanent marker, it's Sharpie. Today's gonna be a fun, quick little ride. By quick, it's gonna be several hours and it's gonna be long. Social distancing with 30-something motorcycles. Well, since we're on our lonesome, let's talk a little bit. Something I'd really like to do on this channel is do a whole lot of giveaways, but when I say giveaways, I'm mostly talking Moto community support giveaways. This isn't just going to be GoPro gives me a camera and I give it away. The giveaways that I want to do for the community. And when I say that, it's a little complicated, but what I want to do is make a video. The video would ultimately be, here's a $100 motorcycle helmet. These $100 motorcycle helmets are almost more dangerous to wear than just not wearing a motorcycle helmet at all. Go through a little bit of information, talk about certain things that I like about certain helmets, what I prefer, what I think is just a garbage feature, and which maybe even brands I don't think are worth supporting. But the biggest thing I would do is at the end of the video, I would have some sort of clip saying, if you've got a bad helmet story or this and that, tell me, give me a reason. DM me, message me, comment, anything you want to do. And I would ultimately take whoever I think is the coolest story, whoever entertained me the most, not necessarily who's the most clever, but what story is the best. And I would like to give them a gift card or something. I would happily give that person, through the YouTube channel funds, a $100 gift card for Motivation USA, who is a remarkably unbelievable company. To afford a better helmet, to be able to go that extra step and maybe get a $300-400 helmet that's worth a damn. It's about time. Where's the other S1000s coming? He's the only one I've seen so far other than Cody up there. Don't know who this gentleman is. He's got a titanium slip-on. A very nice bike. Another 2020 S1000. There's me on mine, you got Cody, then you got, we'll just call him Skills. I believe that's what he likes to be called anyways. You got 3 of them on here. I believe that's all 3 of them in the state. I think there's a 4th, but Minnesota bike scene, it is what it is. But anyways, enough with that. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone. Again, my name's Sabrius. This beautiful bike is Emily. I can't wait to keep on making videos for you all. Right now kind of seems to be a pretty rough time for everyone in this country. This is a great example of what I would like to try to make my channel be, is everyone's having a hard time. There's, what is it, last month, 6 million people on the unemployment register. Life's tough right now, but with that story of the white wall, the black dot, all that kind of stuff, I just really hope people find this channel a little bit of the light in their darkness that's happening right now. I hope people can take this and smile, and can take this and look forward to the future of the videos that I want to create, of the community that I want to gather together and show the world. Please take this video, take that story, and just dwell on it. Take that story and really think about the effect that it has, or the meaning that it has upon your life. Just live the best life you can. Be as happy as you can. Don't let any of the other stuff get on you. It's not worth it. Life's too short not to be ecstatic about absolutely every second of life. Anyways, I'm Sabrius. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Help me help the Moto community. Help me support the up-and-coming riders, and help me just make this channel, as weird as it sounds, one huge giveaway fest.